What if just 2 minutes a day could quietly transform your body and your mindset? No gym, no equipment, just you, the floor, and a timer ticking down. Sounds simple, right? Until you actually try it. Because a proper plank doesn't just challenge you, it exposes you. After 30 seconds, your core starts shaking. Your shoulders burn. Your mind looks for an escape. So I put it to the test. 2 minutes, every single day. No skipping, no shortcuts, just consistency. And here's what actually happened. First, let's talk about what you're really training. Planks aren't just an exercise. They're a full-body isometric hold that fires up your entire core, your abs, obliques, and deep stabilizing muscles, while also engaging your shoulders, chest, glutes, and even your legs. Everything has to work together to keep you locked in position. And within just a few days, I noticed something subtle but powerful. My posture improved. I was standing taller, sitting straighter, moving with more control and less lower back discomfort. That's because planks strengthen the deep muscles that support your spine, the ones most people completely ignore. By the end of the first week, my core felt different. Not necessarily more visible, but tighter, more stable, more connected. I could actually focus on squeezing specific muscles instead of just surviving the timer. And by week 3, something unexpected happened. Everything else got better. My push-ups felt stronger. My squats felt more stable. Even simple movements like walking or balancing felt smoother and more controlled. Because when your core is strong, everything else becomes more efficient. Now let's address the big question: fat loss and abs. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Planks alone won't burn enough calories to get you a six-pack. Visible abs are built through nutrition, not just exercise. But what planks do build is your foundation. They make your body stronger, more stable, and far more resistant to injury. And that foundation is what allows everything else, fat loss, strength, performance, to improve faster. But the biggest change wasn't physical. It was mental. Holding a plank for 2 minutes every day teaches you something most workouts don't. How to stay calm under pressure. How to push through discomfort. How to keep going when your body is begging you to stop. That discipline carries over into everything. So would I recommend it? Without a doubt. 2 minutes a day is a tiny commitment, but the return is massive. Stronger core, better posture, sharper focus, greater resilience. Start with 30 seconds if you need to. Build to 1 minute, then push for 2. Because once you realize what your body can handle, you start to realize what your mind is capable of too. If this pushed you to start, drop a like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who needs this challenge. And remember, consistency will always beat motivation.